Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we're diving deep into a cookware set that's been making waves, the Gotham Steel 12-piece ceramic cookware set with a beautiful copper finish. Gotham Steel claims to have revolutionized kitchens, and with over 30 million happy customers, they've certainly built a reputation. But does this latest iteration of their ceramic copper cookware live up to the hype? Let's find out. First off, the headline feature here is the Ultra Non-Stick surface. Gotham Steel states this is achieved with a coating that's tripled, reinforced with ceramic and titanium. The promise is ultimate food release, meaning no oil or butter is needed, leading to healthier eating and, crucially, hassle-free cleanup. We'll be putting this to the test to see if eggs slide right out or if we still need that cooking spray. This 12-piece set aims to be a complete kitchen outfitter. It includes an 8.5-inch skillet, a 10.5-inch frying pan with a tempered glass lid, a 5-quart stock pot with its own glass lid, a 1.5-quart saucepan with a lid, and a 2.5-quart saucepan with a lid. That's already a good range of essential pieces. But wait, there's more. You also get an XL aluminum steamer insert designed specifically for the 5-quart stock pot, and a bonus shallow square frying pan complete with a seal-tight lid. That's a lot of cookware for one set, offering a good variety for different cooking tasks. Durability is another major selling point for Gotham Steel. They mention that the coating is reinforced with diamonds, designed to withstand metal utensils like spatulas, spoons, and whisks without scratching. This is a significant claim, as many non-stick surfaces are notoriously delicate. The aluminum exterior is also described as dense, non-porous, and highly wear-resistant. We'll be looking at how these pans hold up over time and with regular use. In terms of convenience, the set is advertised as dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus for anyone who dislikes scrubbing pots and pans. You also get induction compatibility, meaning these should work on most stovetops, including induction. Now, let's talk about the practicalities. The ergonomic, stay cool handles are designed for comfortable use, and we'll see how well they really perform to keep your hands safe from heat. Gotham Steel also emphasizes that their cookware is non-toxic, PFOA, PFOS, and PFOA-free, which is important for health-conscious consumers. Looking at the pros, this set offers a comprehensive collection of pots and pans, covering most everyday cooking needs. The Ultra Non-Stick claim, if true, is a game-changer for both healthy cooking and easy cleanup. The durability, especially the claim of metal utensil resistance, is very appealing. Being dishwasher safe and induction compatible adds significant convenience. The addition of a steamer insert and a bonus square pan makes this a very value-packed set. However, there are potential cons to consider. While Gotham Steel claims extreme durability, the long-term performance of any non-stick coating can vary. We'll need to monitor how well it holds up after repeated use and washing. The stay cool handles, while a good idea, can sometimes only stay cool under specific conditions, so we'll be checking their effectiveness. Also, while ceramic and titanium reinforcement is mentioned, the precise composition and its long-term impact on non-stick properties and durability are always worth scrutinizing. Overall, the Gotham Steel 12-piece ceramic cookware set presents itself as a robust, versatile, and convenient option for outfitting a kitchen. The combination of a strong non-stick promise, durability claims, and a comprehensive set of pieces makes it a compelling choice for many home cooks. Link in the description.